Hey, so this is just a little video about time, done in kind of like a bit of a scribble cartoon, which may or may not be true, but it's based on real events. It certainly makes a lot of sense. So let's begin. So you've got a couple of 33s. One day just getting a bit bored, thinking, hey, let's just do something different. Let's create some time. One of them says, okay, I'm 3, so I can be 2 plus 1. And the other one's like, nah, be 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1 is the 21, 3 sevens, so that's a different story altogether. So yeah, be 1 plus 2, 1, 2, like the zodiac. Okay, so he turns into 12. Times himself by his buddy 3, and they make 36. 36 joins the party. 3 plus 6 is the 9. So in a way, 3 and 6 and the 9 is like your 3, 6. The hidden 9 for 36, 360 degrees. So we wanted to be like the zodiac for the 12. And obviously they're in the sky, above, in order, goes round and round. 12 hours on the clock, always going to the left, clockwise. Anti-clockwise would be the other way, to the right. And right is right, left is the selfish path, right is the selfless path. Service to others, not service to self. We're a prisoner of that construct of 33. 12 times 3, 36. So we're going round that way in a circle. Let's join it up. So we'll use the circle 360, 360, and we'll call that degrees. 3 and 6 being 9. 3 times the 9, 27. 360 degrees minus 27, 333. 360 plus its mirror, 063. In the ultimate reduction way, so 6 plus 6 being 12, that becomes 3, 1 plus 2. Also 333. 333. So yeah, the O is a hidden 36 for 360 degrees, or the 9. 369. But then you've got 36 then, divided by 9, the hidden, got you 4. So let's have 4 lines. We'll put a square around that clock. Because then suddenly we've got corners. So let's join the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. And again in the middle. Suddenly then creating 45 degrees. 8 of them. That's where you get the 8 from. 8, 45 degrees. Flip the 8, you've got the infinity for time. 9 being obviously the important number. 4 plus 5 being the 9 again. 9 is the one we're talking about. 9 times the 8 is the 72. So it's the reverse of your 27, the 3, 9. It's all connected with the 3 and the 8, and also the 8. So this is where the 4 comes in as well, the 4 to join the corners of the square. That's also where you get in the hands, the 1010. It's worth checking out Rita's video on the 1010. I'll try and find the link to it. It's about how when you see clocks or watches in a shop or an advert online and stuff, it'll always be in the 1010 position because of that 45-degree angle as well. Boom, boom. So 8 times 45 is what we're dealing with in angle wise for 360 degrees. Well, you've always got quarters, quarter of an hour, half an hour, quarter. Apparently in America they don't know what quarter to something means, quarter to 6, quarter to 7. Apparently that's what I've heard about. I don't know, in the way that people pronounce what time it is. It'd be like 12:45 PM would be quarter to 1, but quarter to apparently doesn't make sense in American. But that's not what I was really going on about. So we're dealing with 45-degree angles then. Obviously it's like half of the 90-degree, the right angle. Just using one of them minus the 360, 315. It's still kind of dealing with 45, aren't you? 4 and 5 again. Also as well, if you use the 1 both ways, 3 and 1, you've got 46. 4, 1 plus 5, 6, 46. 2, 2, 3. 2 times 23. Male, female chromosomes is what we all are. Mum and dad. From our mums and our dad. Um, 44 plus 2, isn't it? The 44 and 2. It's the 2 bit that decides, I think, what sex you are. I don't know whether I've got that bit right. But again, it's also 36 because 3 there, and then the 1 plus the 5 is a 6. So it's 3 6s back again. Okay, so let's just look at another way for 45. So let's do 5 times the angles of 45. So that's 225, which is also 4 and then 5. That comes to 135 when you take it away. It's also still 45 as well. 4 and 5. 135 plus the mirror, 531. It's the 666 boys. We'll speak to them in a minute. 531 is kind of like 54 as well. 5 and then 3 plus 1, which is the 96. So anti-time is still in there. It's still trying to go up against it, and it's still there, hidden in the mirror of it. So now we've got 666, and they're with 36, yeah, of course, because 36 trigonal, when you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to 36 equals 666. So they're all part of the 3 6. It's all linked. And they're controlling the sun, Saturn, Satan, time, Saturn, false light, the sunlight. It's not real. What we thought was real. It's just a light in the sky. It's not actual natural nature at all. It's just what they're passing off as real. It's all a construction. And it's why the sun is looking dodgy, because it's that construction of the fake sunlight is failing now. And it's all kind of starting to be revealed. The veil is lifting. But the 666 boys times in each other, you get in the solstice. That's why it's always the midsummer solstice on that date, the 21st of June. Obviously in reverse as well, that's 612. So For English, that's the 6th of, sorry, in America that's June 12th last year, false flag, the Orlando shooting thing. But yeah, so they decide what time it is with the sun and the false light, when night and day, because it's all going around the 12, the hours, 24. Because in a way, the actual light, day and night bit doesn't really determine what time it is. They say it used to with the sundial and stuff, and yeah, maybe that's the case, but it's going round a system of 12, isn't it? In the 360. So it's all a construction. So yeah, they're deciding what time it is there. And just thinking with that, remembering the hidden 9 for the 360 degrees. That can be 369. Let's do the same thing again, the 225 degrees, 45 times the 5. 5 of those angles. You're suddenly getting 144 time, I believe, in Jewish geometry. Thanks so much for bearing with me.